Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Wrangler front bumper. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You'll need an 18mm socket, a 1/2-inch ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Having a panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver can also be very helpful for plastic clips. Safety is key, so make sure your Jeep is on a level surface and you have plenty of room to work. It's also highly recommended to have a friend on hand to help support the bumper when it comes time to take it off. Next, we'll tackle the components connected to the bumper. Begin by removing the lower plastic splash shield or air dam. This is usually held in place by 6 to 8 plastic clips or small 8mm bolts. Use your panel tool or screwdriver for these. Once that's clear, locate the fog light wiring harnesses. Gently squeeze the tab on each connector and pull to disconnect them. Also, check for any wiring looms clipped to the bumper and free them to prevent damage. Now, let's move on to the main event, unbolting the bumper itself. You'll find 8 large nuts, 4 on each side, securing the bumper to the frame rails. These are typically 18mm. An extension on your ratchet will be very useful to reach them, especially the inner ones. Carefully loosen and remove 6 of these nuts. It's a good idea to leave 2 nuts on one side loosely threaded. This will help hold the bumper in place and prevent it from falling unexpectedly as you remove the final fasteners. With all the fasteners removed or loosened, it's time for the final step. Have your friend firmly grasp one side of the bumper while you remove the last 2 nuts. Then, working together, carefully pull the bumper straight off the frame studs. It might require a slight wiggle to free it completely. Once removed, place the bumper in a safe, clean area where it won't get scratched or damaged. Take a moment to inspect the frame rails for any dirt or rust before proceeding with your next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.